Okay, so we're going to learn about PEMDAS, or orders of operation. So let's review. How would you write this using exponents? Remember, the base is the repeated factor, or the number, and the exponent is how many times that base is repeated. Here's the base, and how many times is it repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would write that as 3 to the 4th. 3 is the base, 4 is the exponent. Let's try another one. How would you write this one? 6 to the 3rd. So 6 is the base, and 3 is the exponent. Six times 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes remember, you will see exponents written like this or like this. They mean the same thing. All right, when you get up in the morning and get dressed, does it matter the order you put your clothes on? Why? So can I put my shoes on and then my socks on? Or can I put a t-shirt on and then a tank top on? So in math, do you think it matters the order of the operation? So adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Let's try it. Let's try adding and then multiplying. Let's see if order matters. So first, you want to add 3 plus 4, and you get 7. Then we will multiply 7 times 2, which gives you 14. Now let's try it another way. Let's try multiplying first. So we will multiply 4 times 2, which gives you 8. Then 8 plus 3 is 11. Did we get the same answers? No. So does order matter? Yes, it does. So we have orders of operations. So this is a fun little saying to help you remember what order to do everything in. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please, so P, parentheses, E, exponents, M, multiply, D, divide, A, add, S, subtract. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So math, there is a very specific order in which you have to complete a problem. Let's try it. All right, where do we start? What's the first one? P, parentheses. So here's our parentheses. So we will start there. So what is 7 minus 3? 4. Do we have any exponents? The next letter, E, exponents. Nope, no exponents, so we move on. How about M? Is there any multiplication? Nope. How about D, division? Nope. How about adding? Yep, we have adding, so that is our next step. So we are going to add 12 plus the 4 we got. So take our 12 and 4. What is 12 plus 4? 16. Our answer is 16.
A group of people visit a museum. What is the total admission price? The table tells us the number of people in each age group and the admission price per person. So, we know that there is one person in the age group 65 and older, 2 people in the age group 13 through 64, and 4 people in the age group 12 and under. To answer the question, what is the total admission price, we need to write an expression using the information in the table. First, let's write a verbal model. The verbal model gives the information in the table as an expression. So we have the cost for one person, that is 65 and older, plus the cost for 2 people between the ages of 13 and 64, plus the cost for 4 people, 12 and under. Now we can write an expression using the verbal model. So we have one person times the admission price per person of someone who is 65 and older, which is $8, plus 2 people times the admission price per person of someone between the ages of 13 and 64, which is $12, plus 4 people times the admission price per person for someone 12 and under, which is $4. So, an expression to represent the total admission price is 1 times 8 plus 2 times 12 plus 4 times 4. Now we can evaluate the expression to find the total admission price. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 2 times 12 is 24, plus 4 times 4 is 16. Finally, we can add 8 plus 24 plus 16 is 48. So, the total admission price for the group of people given in the table is $48.
So if you notice, they did multiplying first. So in PEMDAS, there's no parentheses, no exponents, but there is multiplying. You multiply first, then you add.